Hello everyone, this is Jack, of course. I'm so happy to be here again. This is my base in Shanghai, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I personally think it's difficult to be monetized by YouTube. Per my personal experience, it's really hard. I've made tremendous videos of trade fairs, events, trade shows, but I can't get 4,000 hours at all. It's very hard. Even the hours have been dwindling, It's been decreasing because my videos sometimes are not heavily watched by YouTubers. That is why. So you imagine it's so hard. If you make some videos like the daily routines, which are very normal and without any features, I don't think you can get 4,000 watching hours. It's very hard. For me, I've made a lot of trade fairs videos. Those kind of videos are very exclusive, very rare, Nobody goes there. I mean, if you are not a professional one, I don't think you go to that trade show. I've made a lot of videos, tremendous, but I can't get 4,000 hours at all. So hard. Yeah, I don't want to give you a blow for this. Of course, if you have your interest, if you have your belief, your faith, you can continue to do that. But very tough, guys. I can tell you, absolutely tough. You have to make some videos which are absolutely popular, exclusive. People can learn something from it. If you make some normal videos like your daily routine or something like that, I don't think those kind of videos can be viral. Okay, I've found one of the shortcuts, which is very nice, since the shorts watching hours are not calculated, not added to the 4,000 hours at all. But how can we use the shorts to get more views? I've found I've learned it from other YouTubers. So for example, if you put a short, right? So you can link your long video over there. Of course, this short, it's better for this short to come from the long video. That is the essence of the long video. And you can title that, you can know more by this long video. For example, if you are cooking, you make a cooking video. Okay, you make a short of that cooking video, okay? And then you put it, and then you link that long video over there. So when people click your short, they are very interested in it. So they will click the long video. Of course, your video must be captivating, must be very interesting. Otherwise, I don't think people would click it. And you can make a comment in that short too. And please check my long video like this, even in your description. And then your long video can be heavily exposed, in this way. And more people can click it. That is why I found it worked. It works very well. I've found it. So this is very nice. So whenever you make a long video, make a great short from the long video and put that short. That short is like a tourist guide, like a tour guide. Guide the guys, take the guys to your long video. And if they watch your long videos, and the watching views and hours can be calculated in this way, can be added in this way. Okay, guys, if you like this video, just give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you guys later. Bye.